Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a handy kitchen gadget that we think you'll love, the Ibergrif M501 manual food processor and vegetable chopper. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Ibergrif M501? This is a compact and portable manual food processor designed to make chopping and preparing ingredients a breeze. Whether you're dealing with onions, garlic, nuts, or even fruits and veggies, this tool can handle it all without needing electricity. It's perfect for those quick meal preps and small batch cooking, making it an ideal companion for home cooks, those with limited kitchen space, and anyone who enjoys camping or RVing. Now let's talk about some of the standout features of this chopper. First and foremost, it's designed with safety in mind. Made from food-grade PP material and equipped with sharp stainless steel blades, the Ibergrif chopper is 100% BPA-free, ensuring that your food stays safe during preparation. The pull-string mechanism allows you to control how finely you chop your ingredients. With just a few pulls, you can achieve the desired consistency: 10 pulls for coarse chopping, around 15 for medium, and 20 or more for a fine puree. This significantly cuts down on prep time compared to using a knife. Another great feature is its compact size. Measuring 4.92 by 3.26 by 3.7 inches, this manual chopper is perfect for small kitchens. It easily fits in drawers or can be taken along on camping trips without taking up much space. Plus, you won't have to worry about the mess that often comes with chopping onions and garlic, as this chopper helps keep odors off your hands. When it comes to cleanup, the Ibergrif chopper shines as well. The blade, lid, and base are all detachable, making it easy to rinse under running water after use. Just a quick wash is all it takes, although it's worth noting that these parts are not dishwasher safe. To ensure that you don't end up with hardened food residue, it's best to rinse everything immediately after you're done chopping. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves to cook but is short on space, or if you frequently prepare small meals, this is a fantastic addition to your kitchen. It's also great for those who want a lightweight, portable option for meal prep when you're on the go. In closing, the Ibergrif M501 manual food processor and vegetable chopper is a versatile, user-friendly tool that can make your cooking experience simpler and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.